My name is Brian Irving and I'm the new head of school at Trio World Academy. It was wonderful meeting you all today in assemblies and giving you the warm welcome and getting a warm welcome from you. I believe that working together with school, with parents and with students, we can make this place absolutely great and the go-to school for IB in Bangalore.
The places I visited in my vacation were Niagara Falls and Statue of Liberty. I also went to a place called Mercer Labs and they had tons of scientific experiments.
Where I went in my vacations was Cambodia. I visited different museums and I had a lot of food and tasted the multi-food cuisines.
During my vacations, I went to my hometown Hassan and spent time with my cousins.
And during my vacations, I went to Chikmagalur and then I built a whole project car and stuff.
Yeah, so I basically just stayed at home.
I couldn't go anywhere for my summer holidays, so I just stayed in my house and did a lot of sketching because I enjoyed doing that.
This year, for my summer break, I went to London and Scotland.
This summer I didn't really get to travel anywhere, but I was in and around Bangalore. I was exploring a lot of places in Bangalore and I went towards the north near Nandi Hills. I stayed there for a trek for a week.
During my summer vacation, I visited Korea because that's my home country and it was really relaxing.
And one highlight from my holidays, which I'm definitely going to remember, is a time when we went to Coorg. It was really, really fun, but because it started raining, we had this whole adventure thing. That was definitely memorable.
Something that I missed about school was doing group activities with my friends, like a visual thinking routine.
What I missed about school was playing with my friends, enjoying the events and learning from my teachers in the class.
But the only thing I missed about school is all my friends and how closely we worked together.
I also missed running here and there, playing in the ground, traveling from one classroom to another, and using the computers for computers.
One thing I missed about the school was playing with my friends, talking with teachers, and doing group projects, and maybe school food.
My first day at school was very exciting. I was excited to be in grade 5, and I'm especially excited for grade 5 student council.
Today was a very exciting day and I can't wait for tomorrow.
What I'm excited about this year is about all the sports, student council and stuff.
I'm excited to see the new assignments, what's happening, and the new curriculum overall.
I'm excited to see the new students that could be my potential new friends, and I want to see the new opportunities that are there that could also improve more skills that I have.
Something that I'm really excited about in the future of me being here at Trio would be the outbound trips. I had a lot of fun on my last outbound trip and I'm very excited to be part of one coming up in this year.
I'm really looking forward to joining the secretariat at MUN this year at Trio, and I also hope to become a sports captain in my house team, which is blue.